Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up your online store on Weebly, so let's get right into it. Now, as you'll see, currently I'm on my main page on my website, and once I scroll down, you'll see I already have a product selected. Now, what you can do is you can just go into your editor, and this is one method of doing this. Go to your editor, scroll down in the build section until you find the e-commerce section. You can add products or categories. I added products and I got this screen right here. Now initially it'll be empty and it'll give you a prompt to load up or create some products for your store. If you already have it like this, you can click on manage products and it's gonna enable you to select your product. Not sure if you can use this to add new ones, so I'm pretty sure you can't. I thought you were able to, but yeah, you can just click on it, and if you don't have any products, it'll give you a prompt to add some products. Now, this is because Weebly is partnered up with Square, which is the team behind Squarespace, if I'm not mistaken, and it's pretty much self-integrated right into Weebly. You can just create an online store with no need for any external apps or external add-ons. But if I go and click the X and go over into my dashboard instead of the editor, if I go into items, as you'll see, you have site items right over here, and I'm pretty sure you can add products from this screen right over here. And yeah, as you can see, I have one item. Click create new item, and I'll just create another physical item, name it test 2, set the price to 5, sale price 2, description is going to be test 2, visibility is going to be visible. I'm going to select pickup, and location, let's say available immediately, and let's say non-taxable. I'm going to add a SKU 22345. Cost is going to be 2, and that's pretty much it. You can add other items as well, such as modifiers. You can optimize it for search engines, etc., etc. And once you're done with making changes, you can click save, or you can click save and view. And if I click save and view, it's going to show me, I'm pretty sure, the product page on my store through the editor. And there we go. Let's just wait until it loads up. And there we go. Let me just skip. I don't want to create a domain. So once we're here, as you'll see, it'll show me the, store page for that item. If I go over into my home page for the site or the store, I'll go down here to the product section, click on this, click manage products, select products, and I'm going to add the new test 2 product. And that's pretty much it. Select done. I'm going to change the layout just so it looks a bit better. I'll create a single row, and there we go. That's pretty much how you set up your online store. Now people will be able to purchase items from your store. Now additionally, you should also go over and set up your payment processing for your items. So just go into settings and go into checkout, and you can connect either Stripe or PayPal. But once you're done with that, that will pretty much create your own store and enable everything that needs to be enabled. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.